Hey there, welcome back to the Funnel YouTube channel. I'm Thomas, an SEO expert with over 10 years of experience helping businesses increase their online visibility. Today, I'll be discussing the exciting topic of programmatic SEO. If you're looking to scale your content creation and increase the number of queries your website ranks for, then this video is for you. So let's get into it. First, let us define what programmatic SEO is. Ryan Law, the Director of Content Marketing at Ahrefs, defines it as follows. Programmatic SEO refers to the creation of keyword-targeted pages in an automated or semi-automated way. Simply put, it's the process of creating a large number of web pages following a repeatable pattern using automation. Programmatic SEO, or P SEO, as it is also called, can be used to generate highly converting content quickly and cost-effectively. As I see it, there are three core concepts at the heart of programmatic SEO. The first is automation. This is the backbone of programmatic SEO. Automation allows us to create pages at scale with little manual effort. For example, at Funnel, we use a database and templates to generate pages at scale. Each time we add a new row to the database, our CMS automatically creates a new web page. The second core concept of P SEO: long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are highly specific search terms, often containing 3 or more words. And the third core concept, matching user intent. Even though pages are template-based, they still must meet the searcher's intent. This ensures the content remains relevant and useful. If your page doesn't match user intent, you're not going to be able to rank. Now, let's take a quick pause here. To fully understand how to approach P SEO, it's crucial to recognize what kind of company or website you're working with: an aggregator or an integrator. Aggregators typically collect and display data from multiple sources, while integrators create and distribute their own products or content. So let me explain this with two examples: Booking.com, an aggregator, and Peloton, an integrator. If you are doing SEO for Booking.com, your focus is on leveraging the vast amount of existing data, such as hotel ratings, prices, and locations. This data already lives in their database. So programmatic SEO for an aggregator means using that data to create valuable content automatically. On the other hand, if you're working for a company like Peloton, which offers a limited range of products, programmatic SEO works differently. Since Peloton doesn't have as much product data, you'd first need to create a database. Fill it with content or data points, like workout data or product features, and then you can create SEO-driven pages programmatically. This distinction between aggregators and integrators is key, because it influences how you should approach programmatic SEO. The growth expert Kevin Indig wrote about this in his 2021 blog post, Integrator versus Aggregator Growth, and I really recommend you checking that blog post out for further insights. At Funnel, we've successfully implemented programmatic SEO in two main ways: connector pages. Our connector pages provide information about different connectors in our product, using a template populated with data from our database. And to tie back to our earlier point, while this database already existed when we started P SEO, it was quite limited. It only contained the name of each platform Funnel integrates with and the logo. We built out the database further to use it for programmatic SEO. We included specific data that only we have, such as the most popular metrics and dimensions for each connector. We also used generative AI to create short about texts for each platform. X to Y pages. The X to Y pages show website visitors how to transfer data from one platform to another using Funnel. In this case, we actually combined two databases. One contains information about different platforms marketers use, such as Google Analytics or Google Ads. The other database contains information about so-called data destinations, for example, Looker Studio. We then combine these databases to make a web page for each combination of data connector plus data destination. We are certainly not the only ones using programmatic SEO. Let's take a look at some examples from other companies. Zapier. Zapier creates pages for various app integrations using templates to populate content automatically. UserPilot. UserPilot generates comparison pages for various tools and then suggests their own tool as the better alternative. Tripadvisor. Tripadvisor creates category pages for restaurants using their extensive database of user reviews and ratings. What are the benefits and challenges of programmatic SEO? First, the benefits. Scalability. You can create hundreds or maybe thousands of pages in a lot less time than if you were to create these pages from scratch. Easy to update. Changes in the database or the template automatically reflect on all the pages that use them. For example, if a platform Funnel connects to changes their name, we simply change the name in the database instead of going into all the different pages where that platform is mentioned. High intent. Targeting specific long-tail keywords with P SEO can drive highly relevant visitors to your site. And finally, it is cost-effective, since doing less manual work reduces costs. There are also some challenges with P SEO. For example, setting up and maintaining programmatic SEO requires technical expertise. In other words, you will need to work with a web developer. And depending on the CMS you are using, you may also need help from a backend developer. There is a risk of pages being too similar and not providing enough unique value. You can monitor if this is the case by looking at the indexation report in Google Search Console. There are two things you want to look out for. The first one is discovered currently not indexed, and the second is crawled currently not indexed. If the number of pages in those categories is increasing, your content is of too low quality. It can be that the content is too similar to other content, or that the pages simply don't meet search intent. So if you encounter these issues, don't hesitate to go back to the drawing board and refine your approach to programmatic SEO. So, with all of that said, are you ready to incorporate programmatic SEO into your SEO strategy? If yes, here's how I would advise you to start. Step 1. Identify scalable keywords. Start by researching keywords that have multiple variations. Tools like keywordtool.io can help you find relevant long-tail keywords that can be scaled across numerous pages. Think about queries that your audience might search for, such as best product in location. Step 2. Build your database. Create a reliable database that will feature programmatic pages. This could include product data, location information, or any relevant data you add. Ensure that your data is accurate and regularly updated to maintain content quality. Step 3. Develop templates. Design templates for your pages that can be populated automatically using the data from your database. Make sure these templates are SEO friendly with proper metadata, internal linking, and user-focused content. Step 4. Automate content creation. Use tools like Airtable, Webflow, or custom scripts to automate the creation and publishing of your pages. This will save time and allow you to scale quickly. If you are using HubSpot CMS, you don't need additional tools. HubSpot already has this feature built in. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. Once your pages are live, monitor their performance using tools like Google Search Console and Google Analytics. Pay attention to metrics like indexation rates and user engagement. If necessary, refine your approach to improve quality and relevance. That's all for today's video on programmatic SEO. If you like this video, let us know what topic you want us to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, where you'll learn more about marketing, reporting, data visualization, and a lot more. All the great content you need to shortcut your way to being a better marketer.